In a stunning escalation of hostilities, tensions between nuclear armed neighbors India and Pakistan have reached a dangerous new threshold. Between the night of May 7th and the early hours of May 8th, a wave of Indian drone attacks targeted multiple Pakistani cities in what is being described as the most serious cross border military operation in years. Overnight, India launched a series of drone strikes deep into Pakistani territory, hitting several key cities including Lahore, Rawalpindi, Gujranwala, Chakwal, Bahawalpur, Miano in Sindh, and even the port city of Karachi. According to the Inter-Services Public Relations (ISPR), Pakistan's air defense systems responded immediately, claiming to have neutralized 25 Harop suicide drones launched by India. However, one drone did manage to strike a military installation in Lahore cantonment. The attack left 4 Pakistani soldiers injured. Additionally, a civilian was killed and another injured in the Miano area of Sindh. This was not a skirmish, it was a calculated, high-risk maneuver, a clear violation of Pakistan's airspace and international law. For the first time in years, densely populated urban centers and military installations were struck simultaneously. This is a crossing of the red line. When you attack cities like Lahore or military adjacent areas in Rawalpindi, you're not just sending a message, you're forcing a response. Retaliation is not just likely, it may be unavoidable. The world has taken notice. Islamabad has condemned the attack as an act of aggression and plans to raise the issue at the United Nations, yet questions loom large. Will diplomacy be enough to stop a full scale conflict? An Indian diplomatic correspondent said both countries are nuclear armed. A miscalculation could mean catastrophic consequences not just for South Asia, but the entire world. We're not just talking about border tensions anymore, we're talking about a potential war. Public pressure is mounting, the question reverberating across every corner of Pakistan: will we respond? And if we do, how far will it go? Dr. Naveed Hussain, conflict historian from Pakistan, while on a media channel said, "History tells us that wars often begin not with declarations, but with a misjudged strike, a retaliatory blow, and a chain reaction. We're dangerously close to that tipping point." As Pakistan mourns its wounded and prepares for what may come next, the region holds its breath. Will sanity prevail, or are we witnessing the quiet prelude to a much louder storm? In this high stakes game of strategy, every second counts. The world must ask, what happens if this conflict expands? What happens when the next drone is not neutralized? The cost of silence may be too high.